Good ducking skills, Haley.
I know, they were awful. I was like, I don't know where the camera.
No, they were good. You didn't even get in the shot.
Oh wow, okay.
It's a miracle. It's a miracle. Whoa, that's too far zoomed. Damn. I lost her. Oh, jump. That's good that she did that. She's really spunky today. I can hear that you take a lot of pictures. You're like,
Like a machine gun.
yeah, exactly. Shut up, Kiko. Nobody likes you. Just kidding.
But if I do it with this like setting, then I have like more good photos to choose from.
Damn, I can't choose a zoom.